What's up guys? Today I'm going to be doing a review on Toy Story 4. I have Space Alien here. He's pretty funny and he also could make some noise. And we also have Mrs. Potato Head. I love him because he's so funny in the movie. Okay, so we have the main box. This is probably my favorite box since it has all the characters. We have Buzz Lightyear here, Woody, Jessie. We have a dog, I forgot his name. We have Rex, and as you guys can tell, we have Forky. You guys, I don't think so you guys can see Forky that well, but when I unbox him, I will show you how funny he is. And I also like Rex because he's funny too, just like Mrs. Potato Head. And my favorite is Buzz Lightyear because he's like a superhero, he could fly. And we also have two more boxes. We have Bo Beep over here, and she could make some noise like here.
Toy I know.
And we have Bullseye. I like his funny eyes. And let's start unboxing this big one because I'm really excited about it. Okay, so we have Buzz Lightyear here. He's my favorite character, of course. He is a superhero, like I guys told you. He could fly and shoot lasers. This is Buzz Lightyear, yeah. We also have Woody. His horse is the Bullseye right here. He's a cowboy. Wait, why can't he stand? It's weird. Okay, there you go. And we also have Jessie, a friend of Woody. She's a cowboy too, since they're like friends. We have Woody. Doesn't seem like she could stand, so I'm just gonna sit her down. And we also have my favorite dog out of this movie. Well, of course, because this is the only dog in the movie. It's this. I like how it does this type of thing. It's like farting noise. I really like it. And we also have this Space Alien. Guys, thanks for watching my video. Comment down below what's your favorite character in Toy Story 4. My favorite is Buzz. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Bye everybody.